Hello everyone. So the point of meditation is, as I mentioned earlier, the point of meditation is awareness mind or the consciousness mind. In Tibetan language we say Drenpa. So Drenpa means awareness mind or the consciousness mind. So since we have this awareness mind or consciousness mind, then any thought cannot disturb or bothering our meditation. So usually the thought is very much like a thief of meditation, but since we have consciousness mind, then it's become like we are awaking, we are not sleeping. So if we are not sleeping, we are awakened, then thieves cannot get easily into your room, and they cannot take your money or iPhone or whatever. So if you are in sleep, then thieves can get into your room very easily, and they can take your iPhones or whatever. So it's very much like that. So when the thought comes, then we should not stop the thought, but we should not follow the thought. So that is the point. It's not necessary to stop the thought, because thought itself is part of the mind. So this is the kind of nature of mind. So it's with the thought. We cannot block the thought. So the way of meditation is very much like let it come and let it go. This is, I think, point of meditation. Let it come means you let it come any kind of thought, positive thought, negative thought, or just normal thought, whatever thought arise, you just let it come, but let it go, and you should not, you should not clinging on it, you should not clinging or attachment on the thought, and then thought will just disappear. Thought is very much like a bubble in the water, you know. In water there are so many bubbles coming, many bubbles popping. Some bubbles are very big, some bubbles very small, you know. But anyway, all these bubbles will just disappear or dissolve into the water, you know. So it's very much like that. How much thought comes, very strong emotions, very strong feelings, but all this will dissolve or disappear. So this is the how thought arise. But then, if since we have consciousness mind, then even the thought comes, thought cannot bother our meditation. And this thought cannot steal our meditation, because we have this awakened mind or consciousness mind. We are watching our meditation, we are watching our mind. Then it's become very much like if some thieves get into the empty house, then there's nothing to lose for the empty house, then there is nothing to get to these thieves, because house is empty. This is the one way of the meditation. Thank you. See you.